Okay, this video before repairing the problem with this drone. As you can see, we have a water dropping in the union of the impeller pump motor and impeller pump spacing slip, and a problem with the spraying adaptive module. We're going to start to check the freedom of the air.
Se ha eliminado el aire atrapado.
Okay, we're going to start spraying.
Habilitar rociado.
As you can see, we have a difference with the rotational speed with the one centrifugal water with the other one. But the color level is very similar. We can see the pump is continue dropping water. This is the serial number. Here's the parameters. I'm waiting for the empty the tank.
Se ha quedado sin pesticida. Aterrice y rellene el tanque.
And the pump is continuously dropping.